Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be doing the unbox and review for this Bluetooth headset, Portronics Muffs. So this is the headset, and I have purchased this headset for about 1000 rupees, 1000 Indian rupees. So looks like a pretty good device with features like Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free. We can do hands-free calls, and it has a 10-meter distance, and it is a foldable device, flexible device to use, and we can connect multi devices with this headphone, like laptop, tablet, phone. So all the things which are mentioned here we can attach. So let's do the review and of this product. So this is the user manual which we get here, and this is the actual device itself. So pretty flexible kind of device, and we can easy to carry as well. Also, it is a lightweight, not too heavy. So this is the device itself, Portronics Bluetooth headset, and we can do calls as well as we can listen to music with this Bluetooth headset. And these are the keys, volume keys, also to skip the track, forward the track, we can use these buttons. And this is the USB port to charge the Bluetooth headset, and as guaranteed by the box here, as written here in the specs here, is like music playback time is around 6 hours, and if you charge it fully, it will have a standby time of up to 400 hours, so that we have to check. Most of the Bluetooth headset give good battery backup, so we can do our calls as well as we can listen to music with this headphone. So let us try to connect this Bluetooth headset with a smartphone, so that we can check the call connectivity as well as we can check the music playback. We can check the quality of the headset with the music and also with the calls. So let us try this device. Let us try to connect this device to a smartphone. So I have a Samsung phone with me here, so I will be connecting this headset to the Samsung phone, and then I will be checking out the functionality. So let us see how to connect this Bluetooth headset with the smartphone. So I will be now connecting the smartphone to the Bluetooth headset. So what we will do is we will connect the phone through the Bluetooth option. So we will go to settings, and then we will go to Bluetooth, and I will make it visible to all the nearby devices. So as you can see, I have found it many devices like Muffs here. So I will click on Muffs. I will tap on Muff, so it will get connected to the Bluetooth headset. It is pairing with the Bluetooth headset. So you can see the message here. So it is showing that it is connected to the Muffs device, that is the Bluetooth headset device. So now I will try to play some audio files with this smartphone, so that we can check the quality of audio in the Bluetooth device. So I'll open up a sound player in my phone here. So this is the audio downloaded. So this is the dubstep track. So as you can see, I'm getting sound in the headset. Dubstep track, dubstep. Let me check the quality myself. I'll wear the Bluetooth headset now. So guys, I'm already listening to the track here in the Bluetooth headset, and all I can say is the bass of the headset is very fine, very good, and overall the quality of music is very good. What I can say is very good quality of music through the headset which I am getting here. I'll try to change the track here. House track. Nice quality of music, and beats are good, bass is good, and clarity is good. I mean, good product for the price. Let me change the track. Good for every kind of music, every genre of music. So guys, good quality I can say. So let me try to make a call here so that I can check the call functionality. So let me dial a number here. Guys, we will now make a call with the smartphone through the Bluetooth headset. So here we go. So I have dialed the number. And
welcome to Airtel.
We are getting the sound here. We can make calls. It is working fine.
For mobility, press 1.
For fixed line and broadband, press 2. For DTH,
Press 3. You have selected Airtel Digital Services.
to confirm, press 1. Press 8 for big.
So guys, we can make calls and we can attend the calls through this Bluetooth headset. So pretty good Bluetooth headset. So guys, this was the review for the Portronics Bluetooth headset, and what I can say is pretty good device for the price, and we get all the features like we can make calls or we can listen to music, and it is easy to carry. It is a flexible device, and you can carry it anywhere and no problems. Also, we have to check the battery backup of the device. That we will check it once I'll test the device. So that was the review for the Muffs Bluetooth headset. I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video. God bless and take care.